Ever wished you could manage tracking codes without constantly editing your website's code? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add Google Tag Manager to your site in 2025, quickly, cleanly, and without any confusion. Stick with me because once this is set up, you'll be able to deploy tags like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and more without ever touching your site's core files again. First, head over to Google Tag Manager. You can search for it or go directly to the site. If you're new to it, create an account. It only takes a moment. If you already have one, just log in. Once you're inside, you'll either choose an existing container or create a new one. A container is simply a workspace where your tags live. If you're setting one up from scratch, the platform will walk you through naming your container and selecting where it'll be used, like web, iOS, or Android. Now go to the admin section in Tag Manager and click on Install Google Tag Manager. This is where you'll get the two code snippets you need. One is for the head of your website, and the other is for the body. They're both essential, and their placement matters. Open your website's HTML or theme files. If you use WordPress or another CMS, you can usually access the header and body areas through your theme settings or a header/footer code plugin. For those editing manually, just open the file in your code editor, take the first snippet, and paste it as high as possible in the head section, ideally right after the opening tag. Then copy the second snippet and place it immediately after the opening tag. These placements make sure Tag Manager loads correctly and can fire your tags properly. After inserting both snippets, save your changes. That step locks everything in on your website. Before you wrap up, go back to Google Tag Manager and hit Publish. This is what activates your setup and makes the integration live. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Tag Manager to your website. From here on, managing tags becomes way easier, and you won't need to jump into your code every time you want to track something new. If you found this helpful, stick around for more web optimization guides and tutorials.